Hey there, I hope you're doing great. And as always, we're biting deeper into the world of trading together. Today, we're exploring something in that scalping on 3-second candles using indicators. A few videos ago, I read a side pocket auction ever the ability to play it on 3-second time frames. That's wild and super exciting. But let's be honest, it's not for the faint or hard. This is the fastest scalping you will find on YouTube these days. And I'm here to test how well indicators like zigzag perform at this speed. Let's break down how zigzag behaves on 3-second charts. Let's go. Let me open our funny platform Pocket Auction. Now here's what we're doing today. We're going to take using the zigzag indicator and RSI. I have $20 to start. I deposited less, but thank you for the bonus program. Well, use the promo bonuses there in the promo section, and if you don't know how to get extra bonuses, just message me on Telegram. I'll send you my personal promo buttons. Well, let's begin. Indicator setup. RSI is 8, and we will 8 levels to 80 and 20. And by the way, zigzag, this is deviation 14 for 3 seconds. Should be good. And that also 40. Backstep 4. Well, yeah, the style I'm fine. Now the logic of their strategy. I wait until the price touches or bounces off the zigzag line. If it touches from below, I enter a quick buy. If from above, I quick sell. Simple logic, right? Well, let's keep a 10-minute chart open to observe the structure. We don't trade when price is far from the zigzag line. We long it RSI just proceed over bought and oversold to the zones as usual. Let's move on and find the entry point. Like here, you see the tail of the candle touch. Let's wait a bit. Let's wait a bit, like a hunter now. Well, I opened first trade for $5, and this is the wind. Okay, let's see the potential. Let's see the potential here. As you can see here, their candle's already too far from the zigzag line, so we will pick another pair. Well, it's also far. Let's close something what we don't need. Well, here, the new zigzag line forms, so we just opened $5. Oh, excuse me. Well, it's another win. It's another win. $5 extra. Ping, another win. Hey, I love 3 seconds. I love 3 seconds. Now it's 33.80 already in the pocket. Let's find the next one. Here, as you can see, the big potential of this orange candle, but scalping on this second is super aggressive. Well, and read 5. Nope. And read 15. Oh, well, yup. And 15. Boom. We cover losses. Yes, we recovered. And now we have another deal. Well, it's okay. Let's go 20, boom, turn to 6. Now let's open 10. Okay, important one, and up to 41. Well, zigzag is definitely working, but it's better when it matches RSI zones. Like here, you see? Now we see all your bot zone, and now this is the logic. We go down, and the price goes down. Let's just wait for entry point and try to open a good trade for $10 amount. As you can see my Telegram channel, you can see what kind of amount I'm usually trade. But for YouTube now, I'm just experimenting with small amount. Just show you that actually from bonuses and from small amount you can go upper and upper, higher and higher. and everything is possible. Well, let's not lose this good opportunity. $20, boom, 38, 59, 40. We have boom, almost 3x the starting deposit already. Well, looks like that opportunity here is already back. Now the bigger picture, let's see this prayer is clearly in an uptrend. Let's catch the bounce actually. Well, we don't have zigzag here, but it looks like we can try with this sell position, and we're good, Another sell, loop, $20, another sell. Whoa, this 3 second, so much adrenaline gas. It's dangerous, but it's interesting. Well, 66.20 from 20. It's not bad, right? Oh yeah, the new line forms. $10 open. Nope, $20 open. And yes. Oof, what can I say? This how zigzag working here on 3 second. Still plays to the experiment with settings, but as usual, we left the station in plus, but that's how I feel that I need to make some changes in strategy to make it better. Definitely will share with you all the results. That's perfect to work on just bounces, but it still seems like a gimping for someone. Well, that's me always experimenting and try to share with you all my experience. Actually, scalping on this second is not easy. It's aggressive and unpredictable sometimes. That's why I'm experimenting for you. I'm still trying my best indicators and settings. I hope this helps you practice to but produce trade smart. Don't risk money you can't afford to lose. Start small, practice on demo, and if you're ready to go bigger, go for it. Join me on Telegram. We trade every day, share conservative and aggressive strategies, and go deep on setups that works. Holidays are coming soon. The markets are active right now. Crazy. Then we'll hit a slowdown. Let's try but not a bit to gifts to our families, to ourselves, and hey, here's the little announcement. I do have a copy saving service, guys. If you want just copy my trades, go for it. Set amount, what you can afford to investment, and try it. Try copy trade it. It's smart decision if you don't have time to trade. But me, I hope you will start in trading, you will learn more from this channel, you will follow my Telegram channel to see the increasing of my amounts, join our trading community. We active daily. I'm doing this content for you. That's why, just please, don't be too lazy to put the line, subscribe this channel, and share it with your friend. Just share it with someone who really interested into the trading. Anyway, if you will make Tomo codes, message me on my Telegram. I'll do my best to make us grow. Well, see you in the next video. And stay sharp, stay smart, and be successful as you can. Peace.